We're here.
With you, bro.
On a
Yes,
show.
sir. We're out here in the studio of Kuya Andres and Kuya Andres' home. We're about to shoot 2 clothing brands, Ways of Life, and shout out to Silito, a local brand here, located in Magpet. Beautiful day. It's how life is, man. Ways of Life for more life.
Yes, sir. Ways of Life on a shoot now. Get ready with me.
They say shoot.
Preparing for the studio.
Ready for the shoot. Beautiful. Thank you for welcoming us here, Kuya Andre. The best. Yes, sir. We're about to do it. Go. Hey, wait. 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sige pa. More. 7, 8, 9. Lugaw ka ba? Sige. Yeah, Dre. Oh, binge.
Gonna go out now. Gonna go to gym. Kuya Dre. Go. Gonna go out now with Kuya Dre.
If I was morning.
Yes, sir. It's a wrap. We just done the photo shoot. And it's a W pics with Kuya Dre.
Yes, sir.
Videographer, manager.
Yes, sir.
Gonna go straight to gym now. Let's go. After the gym.
Ili ka landscape, no?